Well, I'm an overthinker, daydreamer, heavy drinker, an in-betweener. Not the ball like it's gonna fall. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy chords, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Remember to Forget Passenger. I like this one, I really do, because the progression is kind of catchy. Alright, let's start with the intro, okay? There's a solo going on, but I'm going to show you the chords in the background. So that's C to E minor, A minor to D minor, G, and then C. And then we start in the verse C, E minor, A minor, F, and then back to C, G, and then F again. Na 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 na. Everyone knows it's all over the town. So this is the I know, na 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 na, and that's D minor to E, A minor, C, and then G, okay? D minor, A minor, C, and then G. Let me scroll to that part. Okay, so you only do the D minor, A minor, C, G once, and then you go to, let me see. You do that once, and then you go to D minor, D minor, hold on. No, my dear, yeah. D minor, and then G. Okay, so D minor, A minor, G, and then C, C, G, F. Okay, let's do the chorus. Man, this guy keeps changing the progressions, but okay. The chorus goes like this. But I wondered if you would. Okay, so now this is the chorus. C, G to F. F again. C, G, A minor, F. C, G, A minor, F. C, G, and then F. Okay, that's a pretty unique chord structure. We're playing C, G, F minor, and then we play C, G, A minor, F twice, and then we play again C, G, F minor, F major. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description. It will teach you how to hold the chords, so you can come back to this video with to get the progressions, but you already know how to hold the chords. This is a C. Okay, so the second verse is the same as the first one. Second chorus is the same as the first one. Let's see if there's a bridge. Okay, the solo part with the trumpets and the horns is basically the same as the chorus. C, G, A minor, F, C, G, F. Alright, that's pretty much the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.